Hey guys, welcome back. Now for this video, I'm going to show you how to find archive channels in Slack. The first what you want to do is basically click on the more button right here, the three dots. Then hover to the channels right here, then click on it. And this you will see, so as you can see, it's now archived right there. But to see all the archive channels, of course, you're gonna go here. To see all the public channels, you could also see this one right here, and for external and the archive. So if you're here, you could basically see all the archive channels that you have. So make sure to put it to archive so that all archive channels can be seen, because sometimes when you're here on, as you can see right here, when I'm here on any channel type, the archive channel is gone. So if I want to see it, just click on archive, then you will see it. That's it, guys. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you on the next one.